Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back another video. Who are you friend? I hope all of you fine and be happy. Allah Almighty give you a great and happiest life. So let's start my today collection and my today video. So viewers, in this video I am going to sharing with you a graceful photo collection, a beautiful, lovely and happiest beautiful moment which are captured in photo of this beautiful Spanish royal queen Letizia, looking so beautiful, so elegant and beautiful with her two sisters and her husband and her mother-in-law, Queen Letizia, Queen Sofia, Princess Leon, Infanta Sofia and King Philippia in my today collection. So viewers, if you like my collection, so share with your friend, neighbor and relatives. Facility members, video watch, tell them see a graceful, amazing and beautiful Spanish royal family. Beautiful family members, some old and some new pictures I can bring for you. So touch with us and take great ideas for my collection, for my video. Some childhood photo collection and some new photo collection. I hope you will be enjoying. So beautiful, attractive, gorgeous and glamorous glittering personalities of this beautiful Spanish royal family. Princess of Spain, Princess Leon and Queen Sofia, Queen Letizia, King Philippia. I can bring different videos for you viewers of different royal families, of different royal ladies, beautiful dressing sense, fashion sense, happiest moment, romantic moment, outing moment, picnic moment and different moment. So please visit my channel. So you guys, on my YouTube channel you will be seeing Danish royal families, beautiful royal ladies, Spanish royal ladies, beautiful Denmark royal ladies, Monaco royal ladies, Jordan royal ladies, Brania royal ladies, Swedish beautiful royal ladies. Lovely moment of this beautiful royal family I can bring for you viewers. So touch with us and take great ideas for my collection, for my video. So my dear viewers and my dear subscribers, if you are new on my YouTube channel and you are not subscribed my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to receive all new notification, all new videos about royal families, royal lifestyles, royal personalities and celebrities, gala dinner ceremonies and celebration. So take care, God bless you, have a nice day, see you soon in the next video. So okay, bye bye my dear viewers and my dear subscribers.